Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open a browser and sign into Netflix with the specific profile you want to inspect. Once done, click your profile icon in the upper right, choose Account, then expand Profile and Parental Controls for that profile. Now click Viewing Activity. This page is Netflix's primary log of plays and streams, so you're looking at the canonical history. Make sure to use the profile tied to the viewings. Family or kid profiles have separate logs that won't appear here. Scroll the viewing activity list and click Show More to load older entries because Netflix paginates long histories. As you scan, items are listed newest to oldest. Use Ctrl or Command plus F to jump to a specific title quickly. To remove something, click the small hide icon next to the episode or movie. That action both clears it from your profile's history and can affect recommendations. If you need to clear many items, hide them one at a time. Netflix processes removals and updates suggestions afterward. Finish by reviewing any hidden items and signing out when done to keep the profile secure. Hiding entries takes effect immediately for recommendations, but can take time to reflect across devices. If you want an official copy, request your personal information from Netflix's privacy section. That gives a broader export beyond the viewing activity page. If history seems incomplete, make sure you viewed under the same profile or check device sync. If problems persist, wait 24 to 48 hours or contact Netflix support for account-level data issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.